Bread is a staple for many families like ours. It brings comfort and warmth to our tables, filling our homes with delightful aromas. We've gathered a collection of easy-to-make, simple, and budget-friendly bread recipes that anyone can try. These recipes don't require fancy equipment or hard-to-find ingredients, making them perfect for busy households or beginners in the kitchen. In this roundup, you'll find a variety of breads to suit different tastes and dietary needs. We've included classic favorites, quick breads, and even some gluten-free options. Each recipe comes with clear instructions and tips to help you achieve the best results. Let's get into our first recipe, which turns a common household item into a delicious treat. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Banana bread muffins. Got overripe bananas sitting on your counter? Don't toss them out. Turn them into tasty muffins instead. This simple recipe uses basic ingredients you likely already have in your pantry: flour, sugar, eggs, and baking soda. The bananas add natural sweetness and keep the muffins moist. It's a great recipe to make with kids, allowing them to help in the kitchen and learn basic baking skills. These muffins are a breeze to whip up. You'll spend just 5 minutes mixing the batter, then bake it in the oven for 20 minutes. The result? Warm, fragrant muffins, perfect for breakfast, snacks, or dessert. Enjoy them plain or get creative with add-ins like chocolate chips, nuts, blueberries, or chia seeds. They're versatile enough to please everyone in the family. Number 2. Sprite bread. Craving fresh bread, but short on time? This last-minute Sprite bread recipe is your answer. It's a smart twist on traditional beer bread using Sprite soda instead. You'll need just a handful of ingredients: self-rising flour, melted butter, yeast, and Sprite. The carbonation in the soda helps the bread rise, creating a light and airy texture. This bread comes together quickly, making it ideal for busy weeknights or unexpected guests. Spend 10 minutes mixing the ingredients, then let the oven do the rest for about 55 minutes. The result is a moist, hearty loaf with a satisfying crust. It pairs well with soups, stews, or stands alone as a tasty snack. Number 3. Dairy-free, gluten-free cloud bread. Cloud bread offers a light and fluffy alternative to traditional bread. It's perfect for those following low-carb, keto, gluten-free, or dairy-free diets. Made primarily with eggs and almond flour, this bread is both nutritious and delicious. Its airy texture gives it its cloud-like name, and it's versatile enough to use in various ways. Preparing cloud bread is surprisingly simple. You'll spend about 10 minutes mixing the ingredients, then bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Use it to make sandwiches, as hamburger buns, or as a side for your favorite dishes. With only 1 gram of carbs per serving, it's a guilt-free option that doesn't sacrifice taste. Store it in an airtight container for up to 3 days at room temperature or 5 days in the fridge. Number 4. French bread. Bring the aroma of a French bakery into your home with this easy French bread recipe. Using just 5 simple ingredients, you can create a crusty, golden brown loaf that's as good as any store-bought version. The best part? You'll only need to knead the dough for a minute or two, making it accessible even for beginner bakers. This recipe is easy to follow. Just mix the ingredients in a bowl, let the dough rise for an hour, shape it into a loaf, and bake for 18–20 minutes. The result is a beautiful French bread with a crisp exterior and soft, chewy interior. Serve it warm from the oven, use it for sandwiches, or pair it with your favorite meals. Number 5. Gluten-free paleo breadsticks. These gluten-free and paleo-friendly breadsticks offer a delicious alternative for those with dietary restrictions. Made with almond flour, eggs, and herbs, they provide a light and fluffy texture that satisfies your bread cravings. The recipe is simple and straightforward, perfect for both experienced and novice bakers. You'll spend about 30 minutes preparing the dough and shaping the breadsticks. After that, a quick 18-minute bake in the oven transforms them into golden, aromatic treats. These breadsticks make a great side for soups and salads, or a tasty snack on their own. They're easy to make and a popular choice for many households. Number 6. Texas toast. Straight from a native Texan's kitchen comes this savory Texas toast recipe. It's a quick and easy side dish that adds a burst of flavor to any meal. Thick slices of bread are generously coated with a garlic butter mixture, then baked until crispy and golden brown. The result is a buttery, garlicky toast that's hard to resist. This recipe is all about convenience and taste. It takes just 5 minutes to prepare and another 5 minutes to bake. The crispy exterior gives way to a soft, flavorful interior that complements soups, stews, or stands alone as a delicious snack. It's a crowd pleaser that's sure to become a staple in your recipe collection. Number 7. Challah, Shabbat Jewish braided sweet bread. Challah is a soft, sweet, and beautifully braided Jewish bread traditionally served on Shabbat. This recipe makes a loaf that's not only pleasing to look at, but is also delightfully tasty. Using simple ingredients like flour, yeast, eggs, sugar, and oil, you can create this special bread right in your own kitchen. The process of making challah is as rewarding as the final product. After mixing the dough, you'll let it rise for about an hour. Then comes the fun part, shaping the dough into its signature braid. A final brush with egg wash gives the bread its golden sheen. The total preparation time, including rising and baking, is about 2 hours and 58 minutes. The result is well worth the wait, a soft, slightly sweet bread perfect for sharing with family and friends. Number 8. Mango bread. Mango bread brings a tropical twist to your baking. This delightful quick bread combines the sweetness of fresh mangoes with warm spices like cinnamon. It's an easy recipe that results in a moist, flavorful loaf perfect for breakfast, snack time, or dessert. You'll need just 10 minutes to mix the batter, then let your oven do the work for 40 minutes. The aroma that fills your kitchen as it bakes is simply irresistible. Once cooled, slice and enjoy the bread's soft texture and fruity taste. It's a great way to use up ripe mangoes and treat your family to something special. Number 9. Cornbread. Cornbread is a classic that pairs well with almost any meal. This recipe produces a moist and slightly sweet bread that's sure to please everyone at your table. It's quick to make, requiring only 5 minutes of prep time and 20 minutes in the oven. The ingredients are simple and likely already in your pantry: cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, milk, butter, and an egg. Mix them together, pour the batter into a greased baking pan, and soon you'll have a golden brown cornbread with a delicious aroma. It's perfect alongside chili, soups, or barbecue, but it's tasty enough to enjoy on its own too. Bread recipes for every day. These bread recipes offer something for everyone, no matter your baking skill level or dietary needs. Easy to make and budget-friendly, they're perfect for adding a homemade touch to your meals. With simple ingredients and clear instructions, you can fill your home with the comforting smell of freshly baked bread any day of the week. We hope these recipes inspire you to get baking. So, tie on your apron, preheat the oven, and get ready to create some delicious memories. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.